If you're dealing with pain in the gym, your problem might not be mobility, it might be control. I've had a bunch of different lifters come to me and say they felt tight, but when we actually did the testing, they were super mobile. They were just cranking on things that were already very mobile. And so we're going to dive in this video as to what was going on with these lifters, with these clients, and how you can make sure that you don't fall into the same trap. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this with a friend. Make sure you don't miss any of the videos that we've got cooking for you. So, most lifters, they think more stretching equals more progress. However, that could be farther from the truth. One, if you've had a strain and you're trying to work back from something like that, you pulled a muscle, you're literally making it worse, or you're prolonging the healing and the issue because you're just constantly stretching something that's trying to heal back together. Second, this is where assessing is so important, because if you are just saying, man, my shoulder feels tight, I'm going to just do all this mobility, and you feel tighter, chances are it's because you're not lacking mobility, you're lacking control, you're lacking stability. I had this client, Tyler. He actually still works with me. We're doing his strength training program to make sure, he can train in a smart way. He came to me and he had all this pain. So he was doing like stretching, he was doing this mobility work, he was doing all these things in PT before he came and worked with me. I was like, dude, I just don't think that that's the problem. This was like before we even hopped on a call. I was like, it just doesn't, like, everything you're saying, it just doesn't seem like that's what's going on. So I had him send me a couple videos and I was like, dude, you have so much mobility. I was like, you don't need to stretch. You don't need to hit more mobility. You literally need to gain control. And so this is where something like, if someone says, hey, I have tight hip flexors, okay, we're going to do a test to see if you truly have tight hip flexors, or if they feel tight because maybe they're weak. Okay, so tightness doesn't mean true tightness. Tightness could be a signal from your body saying, hey, we need more input. And so if you are someone who is just constantly chasing mobility, you're trying to do all these things, make sure you're actually testing to see if you actually need it, or if your body is craving something more. A couple of examples, right? If we're here, we rotate back. Okay, I have pretty decent motion. If I was here, yeah, probably need to work on mobility. I've had some lifters, I can't even get back that far because I'm not like hypermobile, right? But they're like way back here. And they're like, yeah, I feel tight, so I keep stretching. But in reality, like, that's an abnormal amount of motion. And so what we want to do is we actually kind of want to tighten things up. We want to create that stability. We want to create that control so that your body's not having to just like work in overdrive because of maybe like some kind of tear, because of some kind of hypermobility, like joint issue or something like that. We want to make sure that you're actually getting the inputs that you need. A lot of times people do come to me and they're like, man, I have tightness here. I have tightness here. We test it. There's no tightness. What do? We don't stretch. We don't hit mobility. We are just loading it. We are just working on control. And guess what? The stiffness goes away because it wasn't actually the problem of mobility. It was truly a motor control, stability, strength issue. If you feel tight, if you have been stretching and it is not getting any better, make sure you're doing an assessment to actually check and see what's going on. If you feel tight here but not here, maybe compare side to side and see what's going on. If this side is going all the way back here, right, and obviously with good form, and this side is here, well, this side is probably just craving some kind of loading. So make sure you're assessing. Don't guess, assess, and make sure that you're loading the things that need loaded. You're hitting mobility on the things that do truly show a tightness and need mobility work. But make sure you're not just guessing, okay? If you want help with this, if you want to collapse the time, shoot me a DM. I'm going to help you figure out what exactly you need to do. Just mention this video. I'm going to hook you up. You can just send me a video and say, hey, like, does this look like a mobility problem or does this look like a strength problem? Chances are we might need to dig a little bit deeper, but you can at least do that. See if we can get started on the right track for you. And make sure you like, subscribe, share this with a friend, do all the things, and I'll see you on the next one.